You are going to love
The 2011
Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions. And you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
Power passenger seat,
traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering,
AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer,
4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest.
security system.
Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.